Welcome to the in front of me NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application, and after that click here on the right upper corner. Now you can see here that we are logged into two accounts at the same time, and now just to log out from Gmail account we should to log out from Google account on our device. So how we can do that? So first you should click here to manage accounts on this device, and after that you'll see here in Google account settings these are our two accounts. Now for example, to log out from the second one, click here and only click to remove account, then just repeat your action by click to remove account again, and you can see here that in Google account settings that we stay only with one Gmail account. And now just to check the result we can go again to the Gmail application, and we can see that here in application we stay also only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.